Hello friends, welcome to the TYBSc Distribution Theory class. In last few lectures, we have seen that beta distribution of first kind, their PDF, Arthur moment, harmonic mean, median, mode, etc. In today's lecture, we will see the beta distribution of second kind. My first lecture, I have told you that there is a two form of beta function. In first form exist only the function is exist for the interval 0 to 1, and in another form the function is exist for the interval 0 to infinity. So same thing is applicable for the beta distribution of first kind and the beta distribution of second kind. In beta distribution of first kind, the density function is defined only for the range of random variable is 0 to 1, and in beta distribution of second kind the density function is defined for the range of random variables 0 to infinity. Okay, so we will see the firstly density function of beta distribution of second kind. So a continuous random variable x is said to follow beta distribution of second kind if its PDF, that is probability density function, is given by f of x is equal to 1 upon beta m comma n x raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to m plus n, where x is greater than 0 and your parameters m comma n greater than 0. That means this parameter m and n must be positive and 0 elsewhere. Okay, that means your random variable x follows beta distribution of second kind with parameters m and n. This is the notation of beta distribution of second kind. Okay, so before going to start the Arthur moment, we will see the some result of beta distribution of second kind. Okay, so here I have to just write it as remark, or you can say like this is the result. So first one is, we know that the beta function, that is integration over 0 to infinity x raised to a minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to a plus b dx, which is the beta function of a and b. Okay, that means suppose if I have to put the a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4, so this integration is nothing but beta function of 3 comma 4, or you can write in the gamma function, that is gamma 3 gamma 4 divided by gamma 3 plus 4. That means 2 factorial into 3 factorial divided by 6 factorial, or you can write it as 12 divided by 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So this 6 into 2 get cancelled with this 12. So only 5 into 4 20 multiplied by 3 60. So this integration is nothing but 1 by 60. So you can solve by using this beta function, or you can solve by using the integration by parts. So we get this answer. So it is just the simplified form. One more result which is necessary for further calculations, that is integration over 0 to infinity e raised to minus x raised to n minus 1 dx, which is the gamma function. That means this is gamma n. Or if another form of the gamma function is pure 0 to infinity e raised to minus x raised to n minus 1 dx is nothing but gamma n upon a raised to n. So this is the just basic formulas we required. Or one more here, if I have to assume that we want to find this integration over 0 to infinity x raised to 4 divided by 1 plus x raised to 8. If I want to find this integration, so here I have used the beta function, means like you can write this integration of 0 to infinity x raised to, this is 4 nothing but 5 minus 1 and 1 plus x. So this 5 is your m and this n dx. So that means this is your beta 5 3. Okay, so this is a very simple phi. You can solve the integration by using beta function. So this form we use for the further calculation. Okay, so now we will find the rth raw moment of beta distribution of second kind. Okay, so we have given that x is a random variable having the distribution of beta second kind with parameter m and n. So density function is f of x is equal to 1 divided by beta m n x raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to m plus n. Okay, where x is greater than 0 and parameters m and n should be positive and 0 otherwise. Okay, so consider the earth raw moment. So by definition of earth raw moment of the particular random variable x is mu r dash, which is nothing but expected value of x raised to r, where r is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so that means which is integration over x raised to r f of x dx. By definition of expectation, your random variable is continuous, so that's why we use the integration sign. So that means this is integration over 0 to infinity x raised to r, and your density function of beta distribution of second kind is 1 upon beta mn x raised to m minus 1 1 plus x raised to m plus n dx. Okay, so the constant 1 upon beta mn outside the integration sign, and we have merged the x numerator terms x raised to m plus r minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to m plus n dx. Now by using the formula of beta function, so this integration is nothing but 1 upon beta mn beta m plus r and n minus r, because we know that the formula of beta function is integration over 0 to infinity x raised to a upon 1 plus x raised to a plus b is beta ab. Okay, so here a equal to m plus r, a is equal to m plus r. So when I have put here, so integration 0 to infinity x raised to m plus r, sorry here a minus 1 m plus r minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to this m plus r plus n minus r. This r get cancelled, then and then we get this m plus n. So that's why here we have add the r and subtract r. So we get the second parameter is n minus r. Okay, so by using you can use the gamma function and write in the gamma function format, but this is not simplified in the further. For example, if I have to put here gamma m plus r into gamma n minus r divided by gamma m plus r plus n minus r. So this RR get cancelled, only gamma m plus n is there. Multiply by this gamma m plus n divided by gamma m into gamma n. So this get cancelled. So only the terms are remaining here is gamma m plus r, gamma n minus r divided by gamma m into gamma n. Okay, so these are the just terms are remaining which is not simplified further. So this is r is greater than equal to 1. Okay, so this is your rth raw moment. You can uh, write in this form or you can write in this form, whatever. No need to simplify it, or if you have to simplify it in the gamma function, you can write it. Okay. Now further, if you want to find the mean of beta distribution of second kind, so we want to put here r is equal to 1. So that is your mu1 dash, which is nothing but expected value of x raised to 1 is expected x, that is equal to mean. So if I have to put here r is equal to 1 in this equation, so we get gamma m plus 1 into gamma n minus 1 divided by gamma m into gamma n. So that is m into gamma m, gamma n minus 1 as it is, divided by gamma m and this n minus 1 into gamma n minus 1. So that get cancelled, gamma m and gamma n minus 1. So we get the mean is m into n minus 1. Okay, so this is your mean. Okay, now this mean is exist only your n is not equal to 1. N is your positive quantity, but n is not equal to 1. Then and then your result is getting. Okay, but that does not mean your n is less than 1. N should be greater than 1. Okay, now further, if I want to find the variance, so firstly we want to find the second raw moment. So for this we put the r is equal to 2 in your rth raw moment equation. So that is your mu2 dash, which is expected value of x square, and this is your gamma m plus 2 gamma n minus 2 divided by gamma m into gamma n. So that means m into m plus 1 into gamma m and gamma n minus 2 is as it is. Same way your gamma m is as it is, so n minus 1 into n minus 2 into gamma n minus 2. So with this get cancelled. So remaining part is m into m plus 1 divided by n minus 1 into n minus 2. This is the second raw moment of beta distribution of second kind. So variance of x is nothing but second central moment, that is your mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Okay, that means m into m plus 1 divided by n minus 1 into n minus 2 minus m upon n minus 1 bracket square. Okay, this is your variance. So we have to solve this. So firstly we have to outside the m upon n minus 1 from the both terms. So remaining terms is m plus 1 divided by n minus 2 minus m upon n minus 1. Okay, so this m upon n minus 1 as it is, so your m plus 1 into n minus 1 minus m into n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 into n minus 2. Okay, so this is your simplified equation. So further, if you have to solve this, then this m upon n minus 1 term is as it is. So I have multiplied this. So m into n minus m plus n minus 1 minus m into n plus 2m divided by n minus 1 into n minus 2. Okay, so this minus m into n get cancelled and this twice m minus m, so only the term remains is m plus n minus 1. Okay, and denominator is as it is n minus 1 square into n minus 2. Okay, so this is the variance of beta distribution of second kind where n is greater than 2. Okay, then and then this term is satisfied. Okay, or n is not equal to 1 and n is not equal to 2. So that case this equation is valid or this variance is valid. So this is the variance of beta distribution of second kind. Okay, so thank you so much.